The oven, and we were eating chip.
Oh, you got it. You got
Did I really?
Yep.
Yeah, son! Whoa! Yeah, boy!
Yeah!
Yeah! Whoa! All right, ladies and gents, what's going on? So, I have some very exciting musky content to share with you guys today. But before we get into that, I kind of just want to talk a little bit about our fall season this past year for musky fishing, and just kind of wrap that up. And I'll share some of the pictures with you guys as I'm talking here. So the fall musky fishing for us as a group, and when I say us, I mean like me and my brother, and then a group of our friends. It was unreal. We got some good fish. We got a good number of fish. Yeah, it was crazy. There was a couple days where we had free fish days. Content today that I'm going to share with you guys was me and my buddy Chad. We were out dragging suckers, and I'm going to touch on that a little bit here in a minute. We were dragging suckers and we got hooked up on a good one, so it should be pretty exciting. I hope you guys enjoy watching it as much as we enjoyed filming it. But yeah, so to touch base on the sucker thing a little bit more, for those of you who don't know, fall is kind of the prime time to fish muskies with a big sucker minnow. You do that with a quick strike harness like this. So usually this front hook here, you can see here's the swivel that clips onto your line if you've got a leader or whatever you're running, and this front hook typically goes into the mouth or the nose of the sucker just to kind of keep his head straight when he's swimming through the water. And these back two hooks, these typically, this is just personal preference for me. I like to run this one, this front one, closer to the head of the sucker, and I like to run this back one back behind the dorsal fin. And I like to have a hook on each side of the sucker, if that makes sense. And all I'm doing when I do this is I just take one of the hooks on the treble hook here, and I just barely skin hook that sucker. If a muskie takes the bait, you want to be able to set the hook, and when you set the hook, that hook is going to break out of that sucker and go into the muskie. Some people just bury that hook in the sucker, and I mean, that's personal preference. I don't like doing that personally, because I feel like if you bury that hook in the sucker, you have less likely chance that the hook is going to break out of the sucker. And if the hook doesn't break out of the sucker, I think you have a way less chance of getting hooked up or actually getting hooks into the muskie. So along with the quick strike rig, we also run a big styrofoam clip-on bobber. You can pretty much buy these in any sort of outdoor store. Here, I'll put it closer so you guys can see it. It's your standard clip-on bobber that you probably used as a kid when you were, fishing sunfish or whatever. It's just way bigger. Yeah, you can pretty much buy these at any outdoor store. Fleet Farm carries them, Shields carries them, anywhere carries them. Gas stations even carry them, depending on where you go. Aside from the musky fishing, we're kind of it's been a weird year. We're transitioning into early ice here in Minnesota, slowly but surely. Last weekend, Tucker and I, we were out on early ice, and the name of the game was walleyes. That's what we were targeting. And we ended up getting into a few. During the day, we caught some filler fish, we caught some bass, and then as the sun started to set a little bit, then the crappies came out, and yeah, we pretty much caught those steady all night, and then every once in a while we were picking up on a good walleye. So that video should be coming out soon. stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's just jump into the musky content here. It was one of the last times I was out this season, and it was a memorable one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh yeah. There, I got the drag loose and the clicker. All right.
Tonight we'll be out of the country and you'll never see us again.
Andrew had the brisket in the oven and, huh?
Was that upstairs?
Yeah, we were sitting at the table playing cards. Andrew had the brisket in the oven and we were eating chip.
Oh, you got it. You got
Did I really?
Yep.
Open it, open it, open it. Oh yeah. All right. Here, I'm gonna get on the other side of you. Oh, there he is, Chad. Oh, it's a big.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Should I set it? Oh my God, that's a big. Yeah, son! Whoa! Yeah, boy! Oh, that's a big. Oh! Yeah! Whoa! Dude, nice net job. What we got?
49. And like an ace.
Let him go.
Yep. He's a little stressed and bleeding, so try to hold him for a while.
That cold water don't drink much, they go.
Yeah. That was a tank, dude.
Yeah, buddy! Whoa!